Hello everyone and welcome to my channel, and this is going to be the 10th video on Next.js tutorial. And in this video we are going to learn about Next.js props. So these are kind of custom arguments that we can pass from one page to a component, a Next.js component. And for that, let's go ahead and create the other pages that we haven't done yet. So as I have already mentioned in my previous video about the page names, or about the Next.js file-based navigation or file-based routing feature. So to create the about page, you can see we have the URL we have over here is /about. So we will just create a folder by the same name, about, and let's go to the Visual Studio. And over here we'll just inside the app directory we will create a new directory by the name about, and inside the about, just bear with me for a moment. Okay, now inside the about we'll create a file by the name page.jsx. And guys, you can also name it as page.js, but I'm using JSX as this would be a React component and it's easier to format the document. So I'm putting it page.jsx, and here we will write our export default function about, and we'll return our React component. Now let's refresh the page and see we have got this. Now since we had this navigation bar fixed on our page, and that is the reason this footer has taken the top 0 property and it's overlapping. I mean, the nav bar is overlapping over here, so we would be requiring a little bit of margin or spacing. And I think it would be better if we put some kind of page header kind of thing. So for that, let's create a component inside our components directory. We will create a, let's say, page header dot jsx. And today we will be learning about props, as I've already told you. So we will be passing custom arguments from one page to another. I will show you how. So let's say export default function page header, and sorry, my bad, it's return let's see h1 dot py5 dot text center. This is page header, and let's try to call it over here in the about page. So page header. All right, okay, we have got it. Now let's check the height of the nav bar. So going to the inspect element, if you hover over this nav bar, then you will see that the nav bar height is 106 pixels. So what we will do is, first of all, let's make it more meaningful. So section dot py5, inside this we'll write div dot container, div dot row, div dot col lg. I'm sorry, div dot col lg 12, call md12, call sm12, and call 12. So h1 dot text center dot mb0, and let's say we want about over here, written over here. Now, first of all, let's not do it this way. Let's put it inside another div with width 100%, and let's give it a class name, page header, and page header, let's say width is 100%, and min height will be, let's say, 40 vs, and see. So 40 vh is not that bad. Let's make it 50 vh. I think it's fine. And we'll make it display flex, justify content center, align items center, and we have got the about here. And page header. So inside the page header, we'll put margin top of 106 pixel. So instead of putting margin top, let's use padding top and see. Okay, it's not looking good, so we are not going to use it here. Instead, we will create a class name, and let's say the class name will be we can put it, all right, let's say the class name would be header cap, and header cap over here we'll put margin top will be 106 pixels. That would be equals to the height of the nav bar, and we'll put the header cap in this, let's say in this header cap, header header cap, and see, there might be some issue with it. Header cap, okay, it's everything is in lowercase. Header cap, okay, it's fine now. So you've got about, and let's make it text upper case and make it bold. Okay, cool. Now I'm not doing any more styling over here. I'm just giving you guys an example. You can do the styling part later on. And section dot py5 div dot container div dot row div dot call lg12 call md12 call sm12 call 12, and let's say lorem 100. So we'll put it inside a p tag, paragraph tag, and let's do one thing. Let's make this bg light or border bottom. Okay, let's look pretty much good now. Or instead we can put a color over here. Let's say primary, not primary. Let's use warning. All right, it's fine now. So guys, sorry about that. I'm not good in colors, so please ignore. And about, okay, it's fine. And all right, just put some more data. So we have got the about page, and now we'll create the services page. So we'll just simply copy this about and paste it, and we'll write services. And one more thing, guys, over here in about, we do not have any tab name over here, so we'll create our metadata. So for that, we will go to the, oh, I'm so sorry, it should not be here because it is just the page header. So we'll just cut each and everything from here. Oh, I'm sorry. We'll cut the content part from here and we'll put it in the page.jsx file like this. And we have got the about us page. Now we'll go to services. Oh, first of all, we are going to put a tab name over here. We'll export our metadata. So for that, we'll write const export metadata is equals to title. Oh, I'm sorry, it's not const export, it's export const. And its title, let's say our website name was Esther. We'll write about. And okay, perfect. Now we'll go to the services, and over here in services, let's close all of this and open services again. So here we'll write services, and here we'll export const metadata is equals to title Esther and services. And let's just copy all of the page data. We'll just copy and paste this data from about us page to our services page. Now guys, you can see that we have created a page header component and we have called it on our pages, on our about page and the services page. So if you can see inside the about page, we call the page header component, and same thing we have done with the services page as well. And as a result, you can see that whatever content we had in this page header file, just a moment. Okay, whatever content we had in this page header file, that is being displayed. So what we want is, so instead when we go to our about page, it should show about over here, and when we go to our services page, it should show services over here. And for that, we will use the props, and for that we'll just inside this page header function we'll use a curly brackets, and over here we will write, let's say, page name, or you can write title, whatever you want. And same thing we will write in here. Instead of the about, we will write title over here like this. Now you can see that it's gone. So what we will do is in our about us page, we'll go to the about us page, and where we have called the page header component, here we will write title is equals to about us. And if we go to about, see we have got this about us. And when we end inside the services page, the page header, we will write title is equals to our services. And let's check this out. See, now we are getting this data dynamically. All you need to do is whatever prop name you are passing over here inside the function, the same name you need to declare. You need to put a value to the same name on the pages where you are calling the component. So that's all about props, guys. Uh, we will learn about node mailer in the next video. So stay tuned and let's see you in the next video. Thank you and have a nice day.